In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Python to your environment variables. Now this will go and fix any of your Python error messages, and we need to do this in order to run Python commands. So the first thing is, if you haven't already, you need to install Python onto your computer. You can do that simply by typing in Python install to the search engine. You can click on this top website, which is python.org, and you can go and download the official Python program. Now once you've installed the latest version, you can open up your start menu, go and search for the word Python, and then we need to right click on this Python app here and select open file location. You then need to go and right click on Python again and select open file location once again. Now the first thing we need to do is go and click on the file directory at the top here, and we need to copy all of this address. Now once you have this copied, you can open up your start menu, search for the word environment, and then click on edit the system environment variables. You can then go and click on environment variables, click on this option called path, and then press edit. Now we need to go and add that path that we just copied by pressing new, and then you can go and paste in that file directory. Now once you've done that, you can just press OK at the bottom and press OK once again, and you'll then need to go and restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you can then go and run Python commands in the terminal. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.